All right. Woo! This is a problem. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. We are needing to find the vertex and the graphing form. Those are going to kind of happen together. I need to find the y-intercept. That's easy. Plug in 0 for x. And then 0, 0. I get 6, so I like it. So I'm going to graph that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to find the x-intercepts, so I need to ultimately set y equal to 0. So let's go ahead and do that. And you know what? I'm going to divide everything by a -3 because that is a hot mess. So I'm going to divide that by a -3. I'm going to divide that by a -3. And I'm going to divide that by a -3. And now I want to factor that, which I can't. But what I can do is I can use quadratic formula, right? Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which gives me, this is what, 8 plus 4 is 12. This split up is root 4 and root 3, so that's 2 root 3. How'd that become 4? That's weird. That was a 2. And so now I do need to distribute that, which will be -1 plus or minus the square root of 3, comma 0. And that's, well, I just could have done a plus on the top and a bottom, and minus on the bottom. All right, so now we need to get a vertex. So let's do our vertex. Let's move this 6 over. Let's factor out the 3. So I need to divide by 2 and square, which will be a nice pretty little 1. And then this isn't really a 1, it's really a -3, so I need to put a -3 on the other side to keep things balanced. Factor, always square root, sign in the middle. So that's factored graphing form. And that means the vertex is -1, 9. So I can do that. -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is my vertex, and it's going through that point, which means it's also going through that point. And it's going through approximately 0.73-ish and approximately -2.73-ish. So that's what our graph looks like. So the domain is everything. No matter what you plug in, everything's nice. You're never going to get an imaginary number or anything. So everything. And then the range, this is the height. So as long as it is less than that, it can be equal to that, but as long as it's less than that, you're good.